Looking to dive into the exciting world of 3D printing in 2025? Whether you're a hobbyist, a designer, or a small business owner, finding the right 3D printer can be a game changer. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2025, from budget-friendly picks to professional-grade machines. These models are packed with advanced features, faster print speeds, and higher precision than ever before. We've done the research to bring you the best options based on performance, reliability, and value for money. So, if you're ready to upgrade your printing setup or just getting started, this list is for you. Stick around to find the perfect 3D printer that fits your needs and budget. Let's jump into the future of 3D printing. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra S1. The Anycubic Kobra S1 is a speed-focused 3D printer that delivers pro-level performance without the premium price tag. Designed for makers who crave both speed and quality, the Kobra S1 boasts a max print speed of 600 mm per second and a robust CoreXY structure, ensuring smooth, stable, and accurate prints even at high speeds. Its auto bed leveling system and direct drive extruder simplify setup and ensure consistent first layers, while the spacious 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume gives you room to create larger models with ease. The S1 also features a user-friendly touchscreen interface and smart features like filament runout detection and resume printing. Whether you're crafting cosplay pieces, functional prototypes, or artistic designs, the Kobra S1 handles a wide variety of filaments including PLA, PTG, TPU, and more. With its sleek design, reliable performance, and blazing speed, the Anycubic Kobra S1 is easily one of the best high-speed 3D printers of 2025 for creators on a budget. Number 4. Original Prusa MK4S. The Original Prusa MK4S is a true benchmark in reliable 3D printing, blending Prusa's legendary build quality with smarter, faster technology. This upgraded model features the powerful extruder, improved cooling, and a new 32-bit motherboard that delivers smoother, quieter operation and precision prints right out of the box. The MK4S shines with its fully automatic first-layer calibration, crash detection, and quick-swap nozzles, making it incredibly user-friendly. With a build volume of 250 by 210 by 220 mm and support for a wide range of filaments, like PLA, PTG, ASA, and more, it's perfect for both functional parts and artistic creations. Its modular design also means easy maintenance and future upgrades. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned maker, the MK4S offers consistency, ease of use, and top-tier performance. No surprise it remains one of the most trusted 3D printers of 2025 for serious creators. Number 3. Creality K1C. The Creality K1C is a compact powerhouse built for speed, strength, and serious performance. Designed with carbon fiber and high-temperature filaments in mind, this printer is a dream come true for makers who want to create durable, functional parts with ease. It features a max print speed of 600 mm per second, an enclosed build chamber, and an upgraded direct drive extruder with a hardened steel nozzle, perfect for handling materials like PLA, PTG, ABS, and carbon fiber reinforced filaments. What really stands out is its advanced cooling system and active carbon filter, making it safer and more efficient for indoor use. With AI detection for errors, hands-free auto-leveling, and Creality OS with Wi-Fi connectivity, the K1C blends power and intelligence effortlessly. Whether you're a professional prototyper or a serious hobbyist, this printer delivers high precision and consistency without the steep learning curve. The Creality K1C is easily one of the best high-performance 3D printers of 2025, engineered for creators who expect more. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo takes desktop 3D printing to the next level with its bold leap into multicolor printing and smart automation. Equipped with the Chroma set, this combo allows seamless multi-filament printing, up to 4 colors in a single job, perfect for creative projects, cosplay parts, or detailed prototypes. The Kobra 3 features a generous 250 by 250 by 260 mm build volume, a blazing fast 600 mm per second max print speed, and the precision of a CoreXY structure for stable, high-quality prints. What really sets it apart is the hands-free calibration with AI-powered auto-leveling and flow control, minimizing manual tweaks. It supports popular filaments like PLA, PTG, TPU, and ABS, giving creators freedom to experiment. The touchscreen UI is smooth and intuitive, while Wi-Fi connectivity adds convenience for remote control via app. For those who want cutting-edge features and vibrant results, the Kobra 3 Combo is one of the most advanced and fun 3D printers of 2025. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a powerful upgrade in the Ender 3 lineup and a top pick for anyone looking to get into 3D printing without breaking the bank. Designed with beginners and hobbyists in mind, this printer features auto bed leveling, a direct drive extruder, and dual Z-axis stability, making your prints more accurate and hassle-free. The assembly is quick and easy, taking under 20 minutes to get started. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm and a print speed of up to 250 mm per second, the V3 SE balances speed and precision impressively. It supports PLA, PTG, and TPU, offering flexibility for different projects. Plus, the user-friendly interface and silent stepper motors enhance the overall experience. Whether you're printing prototypes or fun models at home, the Ender 3v3 SE delivers reliable performance. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and packed with modern features, making it one of the best 3D printers of 2025 for its price. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 3D printers of 2025, each one offering unique features to fit every maker's needs, from beginners to pros. Whether you're after high-speed printing, multicolor capabilities, or industrial-grade reliability, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Facts for more informative and tech top best product reviews. Got a favorite from the list? Comment your choice below, we'd love to hear from you. And remember, these all products in this video are available in the description below, so check them out and start printing your next big idea today.